popping, everybody? I've been slacking on recording these workouts, but I'm not gonna lie, this shit has been hitting like it's getting paid to these with the Jeff's program. And just cause like I feel like I got my nutrition back like down to the dot. I've been dropping weight like I'm getting paid to also, you know? It's July 2nd now, and I started taking my cut really serious like 2 weeks ago. So I'll probably say like June 20, early the 20s of June, I started getting right back into, you know, just like a serious ass cut and trying to get the most out of my time in here since, you know, I got these goals to reach. And slowly but surely, I'm already starting to get back my definition that I kind of just missed. I kind of regained a lot of weight back in May, and I'm like, all right, you know, I gotta lock the hell in and see what I can do. Just cause, again, I'm doing this just to see what I'm capable of, you guys. I'm not like I'm not like preparing for a contest or anything like that. I'm just trying to see what I'm capable of. You know, I think I said it before, but I think next year is gonna be the year that I actually try to either get some type of bodybuilding or some type of powerlifting. I gotta see where I want to be at. I'm leaning a little bit more towards powerlifting just because, you know, aesthetics are cool and all, but I'd rather be able to lift some heavy ass shit because I just feel the most badass when I'm able to lift some heavy stuff. And, you know, again, the looks come with it too. Like, man, if you're strong as hell and you're eating right, you're most likely gonna end up looking pretty damn good too. So I try not to focus too much on just the bodybuilding aspect of it all. You know, to each their own. I want to be a little bit of a hybrid because I also do like I do cardio and a little bit of athletic workouts as well on some days. I guess athletic mobility workouts. I want to get more into straight up athletic workouts. Right now I'm doing a little bit of mobility, like kettlebell work and all that. I think I posted a couple things here and there, but yeah, I want to get better at just like straight up athletic programs and stuff like that. It's just because I want to be able to do anybody like on the football field or in a basketball court. I want to be able to just, you know, move around and give it out, kind of just dust everybody. So for now though, I'm gonna get right back into this lifting shit. So we got bench pressing here. This is my last warm-up set. We'll see how it goes. I've been skipping some of the, I don't need to record every single set, but let's see how this one goes. Let's see how we do. Come on. That was my last warm-up set, but shit, I'm gonna have to use that as my working weight because I'm going for 5 reps at an RPE. I think it was like 9, so that was feeling tough. Actually, RPE of 80%, so I was gonna go up a little farther, but I think I'm cool. I'm sticking with this. It's almost, what is it? It's like 205. I think it's 200 pounds right here. Yeah, 200 pounds. And now let's see what the hell we get going on. Let's see how much we get out of this shit. Next set coming up. All right, set 2. Well, actually, this is technically my first working set. I tweaked last set though. I definitely had 10 pounds on one and 5 pounds on the other, so I was, guys, live and learn. You know, luckily I didn't hurt myself or nothing, but I knew I felt something a little different. I was like doing it. Whatever though, we'll count that as a good warm up. So we're only going up 5 pounds. Yeah, now this is, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We'll do the gym math here in a second, all right? Let's do this shit. I think this is 205, whatever though. I didn't need to do that pause at the end there of the last rep, but honestly it felt like it was necessary and that shit felt great. Oh, my chest is still a little pumped up because it's just a full body workout every day. I hit dumbbell inclines yesterday, but flat bench, a little bit more of the mid to lower pecs here. Kind of not much lower pecs, but whatever the fuck. Let's keep this rolling here, you guys. It's feeling like a good day, so let's see what we got. Come on. Set 2 out of 3. Let's do this shit. I'm jumping right into this bitch, y'all, because my shit feeling fired up. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah. That was a fire ass set. Oh, my titties. Oh, feeling in my nipples. The goddamn pre-workout's getting to me. Itching everywhere, but hey, It's a fucking lovely feeling, huh? Let's keep it moving, y'all. Last but not least, let's do the Bolshevik. I'll take a good break there, cuz I want to get the most out of this shit. No fucking way, I've been here for 40 minutes already, bro. 40 minutes on this fucking bench press. Let's go. Last set. It was great. Let's keep it moving. We got some chest flies coming up, y'all. Back-to-back chest exercises. Chest exercises. Couldn't even fucking talk after that one. We're feeling great, though, everybody. Let's go. Come on. All right, we moving on to some chest flies. I'm gonna get this first set moving, cuz I gotta get a move on in this bitch. Nah, I'm not in a hurry today, luckily, but let's see what we got. Felt like a thing of beauty right there, y'all. That's what I love to fucking feel, y'all. Honestly, I don't know what's been going on, but my chest has been feeling more like activated throughout all my chest exercises recently. So I'm like, you know, chalk these up as a dub. Come on. Last set of these. I ain't record my second set because I was like, it's not fully necessary, but this one I'm going up quite a bit. Cause I got, started with 50, I got 15 of those. I went to 55, I got 20 of those because I was like, fuck it, let's see what we got. Supposed to be RP 9, so I'm like, all right, let's see how this goes. This is 60 right here. Let's see how this set goes. Come on. I'm going for like, you know what, fuck the number. Let's just see what we got. $15 of those. They felt great, y'all, but let's keep it moving. Going back to lower body. Or back. Moving on lower body after this shit. Oh shit, they gonna pop out of place. Oh, we're moving on to hip thrust, everybody. I'm kind of dreading these right now. Like this, I don't know what the hell. They gotta find like a new way to pad this bitch up. Every time I do hip thrust, I leave with a bruise on my fucking hips because of this damn machine. But the only thing is, it hits the target muscle on the dot, so that's why I still do them, right? But fuck, bro. It's always on my left side, so let me just try to pad the left side a little bit more. Let's see what the fuck's going on. First set though, let's get this rolling. I don't even know how much I put on here. I think I put like 4 plates on each side. Ugh. I did not have enough carbs for this shit today. Cause I just came up off a fast, like a 32-hour fast. I tweaked though. I didn't add no carbs. What I have? Eggs, avocado. That's pretty much it. Eggs, avocado, and coffee. This shit ain't cutting it. I had a banana ready to go, but I completely forgot. Part of the fucking game here, buds. I'm moving right into it, y'all. I got no time to talk right now. Actually, that set felt fucking good. It's just the carbs that are beating my ass. And no carbs in it that's beating my ass right now. Let's keep it going. One last set. All right, we're moving on to T-bar rows because those hip thrusts were kicking my ass, literally and figuratively. I did 4 sets of those. I only recorded 2 because I was dying for the last 2. We still made that shit happen. Got 12 of them. Moving on to these T-bar rows as part of the program. Let's see what we got. We're going for 15 reps on these apparently, so let's see what we got. Okay, that didn't feel crazy terrible. Honestly, I ate like 80% of the Rice Krispie and it's already doing its job. But not 100% yet, but let's see. I'm gonna finish that shit off and chill out for a second, see what my next set goes like. All right, let's get it. Moving on to set 2. I didn't take too long of a break because I'm just trying to get this shit moving. I've been in here for way too long. I'm gonna do this and then some tricep push downs and I'm out of here. I'm gonna do Arnold presses later on in the day because I got shit to get to. So let's get this shit moving. Let's see what we got. Come on. I went up like 25 pounds. Let's see. Ooh, see how it's moving. 12. I'll take it. Keep this shit going, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is the last shit I'm recording right here, because I'm about to die in this bitch here. So the Rice Krispies gonna bring me back to life. I think I was too far gone off the deep end, so whatever the hell. One last set of these. One should have 2 left, but I'm gonna record one because nobody got time for this shit. Let's go. Or the mental capacity right now, but whatever the hell. Sweet baby Jesus. We almost there. Come on. One last set. Actually, I might just move it on to the pump check after this shit. Let's see what we got. Just to finish it off with a quick pump check. It was a rough ass workout here, man. It started off great, but at the end of the day, I almost died in this bitch. But hey, that's part of the game. It's part of the game. Oh, let's see how this shit goes. And that's how we finish off a banger of a workout, you guys. Thank y'all for tapping in yet again. It's gonna, man, I've been feeling great. I feel like I've been cutting, looking good, y'all. We almost getting to my goal weight of 180, so let's keep this shit rolling. See what the hell type of progress we're making the next couple weeks, months, all that. Cause I'm gonna be cutting for another 2 months. It's July 2nd, like I said. And we cut until like the end of August or a little bit into September. We'll see what I get to, honestly. If I get to 180 before that, then again, I'm just messing around with how far I'm going into the cut, all right? But catch you on the next one. So share, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. I appreciate the hell out of it every single time, you guys. Catch you on the next one. Adios, everybody.